Is credit report repair legitimate? Let me tell you, it depends who you go to. You can find illegitimate credit report repair, people who will do terrible things, who will tell you to get a new identity, to hide, to not pay your bills, to get a tax identification number and so forth, and use that as a social security number and you'll go to jail. So don't do that. You know, there are hundreds of ways that people can be guided wrongly. That's not the kind of advice you get when you go to a law firm. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Credit Billing Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the Truth in Lending Act. These exist for a reason. These aren't just words in a book somewhere, and all of these federal statutes can be brought to bear to help you and me and anyone else improve their credit rating so that their lives can be better. Here's how the consumer credit game works. There are 3 consumer reporting agencies: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. But guess what? They're not official. The government didn't bless them. Okay? These are for-profit, privately owned. I think at least one of them, if not 2, are publicly traded, but even they're owned by their stockholders. These are companies that buy and sell our information for profit. And the only the only laws that are applicable to these agencies, so-called, are laws that protect consumers. Those are our consumer protection statutes, okay? And they work to place limits upon the credit bureaus. So, for example, the next time a creditor tells you, "I'm sorry, we can't take that off your report. It has to stay there for 7 years by law," they're either terribly misinformed or they're lying, because the Fair Credit Reporting Act places limits upon the amount of time something can be reported, but it doesn't stipulate that something must be reported at all. You know, any of us could start our own credit bureau tomorrow and collect information on our neighbors and try to sell it to our other neighbors, and that's legal. But there are consumer protection statutes that place limits upon that activity. But the other thing you need to know, and speaking as a psychologist, I can tell you, the essence of depression is when you believe that the way things have been always will be. People who are depressed always believe that there's just no way out, that nothing will change, they're doomed. Okay? That's not true, number one, generally in life, but it's certainly not true when it comes to your credit rating, for goodness sakes.